Why should a company do offshore software development with Andesoft on Microsoft Dynamics AX? We're going to show you the introduction, our process, how is our process that is successful, how we save money, how we give or deliver our products on time, how to make quality on offshore software development with AX, what are the other factors in developing offshore, what are the secrets of success in our offshore software development, and our conclusions. In the introduction, I'm going to tell you that the offshore software development has been successful, working for decades in countries like China and India. We are not reinventing the wheel. Offshore development has been a success all over the globe. During this presentation, we will give you the formula and the secret to do offshore software development in Microsoft Dynamics AX, saving money, having your project in less time, and receiving a final program with no problems. Our process is very simple. What we do is we receive your requirements, we analyze them, we have sessions with questions and answers, and we do a document with all the user cases we think you are going to prove when we give you the development. You check this document and you approve this document and sign it. After that, we develop it. After that, we have questions and answers. We update the documentation. We do our inside quality control. We test it with you. After you approve it, we do technical documentation and we send you the program with all the documentation done. In costs. The cost in the traditional way is expensive. Why is that? Because you first do the requirements with a consultant, and what you have on your requirements is not really what your client wants. In order to make satisfaction of the project, you have to do a lot of coming and going with the consultant and the developer until you get the right project with the right results that your client wants. In this example, we have 400 hours doing the project in the consultant in the traditional way and 850 hours with the developers. In our innovating way, what we do is we receive the requirements from the consultant and we do the documentation, which gives us 100 more hours just on the documentation. After that, we do the development, but we don't have to go on and off and coming and going from the developer and the consultant, because with the documentation we have the right way of what your client wants. At the end, we end up with 260 hours of the consultant and 520 hours of the developers. In this project, and in this example, you save 140 hours in consultant time and 330 hours in developer time. Timing. Most of Dynamics AX partners working with inside programmers do not accomplish the client expectations on time because there is no formal detailed document commitment between consultants, clients, and developers. With our development process, we certify delivering on time. On quality. Fact that gives us quality. Developers have high understanding on Dynamics AX functionality. Developers have years of experience in X++ programming, and we have rich documentation. Other factors. We are located in Ecuador, which has 0 to 2 hours difference time with US and most countries in Latin America. Our people are highly motivated and love Dynamics AX. Our people are engineers from the best polytechnic institutes in Ecuador. What are the secrets for our success? We have high knowledge on the functionality of Dynamics AX by developers. This is very important because if you don't know AX how it works, it's difficult to understand the consultants. We have years of experience programming in AX. This gives us a plus because we know how to do it technically. We predefine the functionality problems in documents before development. This is very important because with that you realize what are going to be your problems in the future. We got commitments on both parties, on both parts. In this, both parts is the client and Andesoft, with signing documents before development. The conclusion of this study is that with offshore development in Dynamic AX with Andesoft, you save money, you receive your products on time with excellent quality. In order to have a quotation on what you want on offshore software development in Dynamic AX, please contact this person. And finally, you will never regret it. Thank you very much.